Hey guys, Rob from Oakwood Machine Works, and I'm just doing a quick video to show you guys I haven't fallen off the face of the earth like I tend to do on YouTube. And I also figured while I'm doing so, I will just give you a quick overview on a project I'm working on. Some of you may have seen these little pocket. I guess I'm getting a lot of glare because I have to use a light here, but it's a little spinner. There's a piece of aluminum that I'm boring out. I think it's like 1.25" outer diameter. If that seems too small, I also have some 2" I can turn down. This is going to be a bronze and aluminum spinning top when I'm done. But I've been planning on doing this for a while, and then Brad from Tactical Keychains started working on his, and I just decided to go for it, I guess. I was going to do it before him, so I'm not really copying him, but his design is neat. It's not quite my thing, the way it's like ridged, and I kind of want a smooth, possibly a knurled outer diameter. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the face, and it's going to need two little thumb pieces that you hold. I'm going to use bearings that the bearings that I'm going to be using in my solenoid engine. They don't have a flange, just a smooth 200 thou width. It's just gonna press into there. It's not done yet. It could be smoother. It still has the factory grease, and I just pulled it out of its package. It spins really smooth, but it just doesn't keep going. I'm sure if I take it over to the parts washer and clean it up. Must have a piece of gunk in it because it has a little hard spot right there to turn. I need to start using those on the solenoid engines. I have been making Delrin bushings out of... I still have some of it. This 3/4" Delrin. This was a 7-foot stick. It's no longer a 7-foot stick. So that's been one project I'm working on. Working on the new South Bend. Very nice lathe. And just a little quick tip. These little... You can use an end mill as a boring bar if you don't have a small enough boring bar. And if you're centered up well enough, I assume that you could actually drill with it too. And if you just want to turn your lathe off and run it in reverse, not advisable on the South Bend threaded backs, you could profile with it too, which is kind of neat. Actually, no, you could just run your lathe all the way, or crossfeed all the way over here and bring it in, I guess. If you had everything paralleled up nice, I mean, why not? I don't have a DRO on this yet, I plan on getting one, but I do have this Harbor Freight unit. That's decent. And then over here on my mess table, I have a Noga holder. I just wanted to try the Harbor Freight one. Trying to think if there's anything else over here we've been working on. Oh, I guess I will, we're over in the garage, it's kind of a messy thing right now, but we're working on a 3 horsepower brawn wall. It's been kind of giving us issues. Need to get the flywheel off, so we drilled a couple holes down into the journal, and we're feeding it a braking fluid. There's that a loose wheel that we can't get off because the internal snap ring is worn. This engine was made in like 1905. It's a headless configuration. All of the valving is on the side. Really nice valves, actually. Nice action. Guess I still left the coolant in the hopper. So between that and getting solenoid engines built, we're going to actually be doing a complete design and build log soon. So we'll design it in SolidWorks, get it all animated, and get an idea for what it's going to look like. And then we're actually going to take the drawings, do the cam for them, and machine them out. And it should be a pretty good time. Those will be for sale. I'd like to get the price of the OMW Model 1, which is one you guys would have seen on Road King's video and that you see on my channel. I really shouldn't have set a price when I was talking to Road King, but it was about 100. I said 175. That was way off. That's what happens when I get nervous. I can't think right. It's 150, and that's still pretty expensive for what it is, I think. I'd like to get them down to actually $75 or even 50. 50 is pushing it. 75 is if I can get them perfected, so they just kind of go together and they just work. That's the biggest thing. They take so much work to get running perfectly right now. I've kind of gone John Grimsmo on them, and I'm never happy with them. I had one displayed at Cool Spring, and I walked away from it, and when I got back, the flywheel was all bent, and it stopped running. I knew I should have put it away, but I think somebody was playing with it, and they shouldn't have been playing with it. So if you happen to be the one that was playing with it and watching this video, yeah, please don't do that. It's not cool to... If you touch somebody's big engine, that's one thing. If you touch somebody's models, that's like a whole nother ballgame. Just because there's so much work that goes into them and they're easy to break. So, I'm gonna get going on this, and I will maybe post a video when I'm done with it, and you'll see some stuff with Bobcat version 28, SolidWorks 2016, and I'm getting SolidWorks 2017 very soon. Pretty much as soon as it comes out, actually, so... thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one.